whole screen. Oh, that was cool. That was a cool one.
Wow.
You're gonna have a fire. It'd be cool if they were like LED lights. I like that one. Those are those missiles.
Mm-hmm.
That one almost lit up my whole screen.
Yeah, we did mine too.
Damn, Mom's missing out. That was cool. I like that.
Oh, I like that
No, she's watching the Macy's one.
too. Oh, that was nice.
That one lit up like half my screen. You can't get the little ones falling down.
Oh, yeah. That was a dandy.
That one's cool.
Mm-hmm.
I like that little ring.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one.
That's nice. That's a new one.
They have new ones?
I've never seen it before.
They're leaving glares on my phone. Missiles.
Oh, that's a screensaver there. Boy, those are going off close to the ground, aren't they?
Yeah. Hey, the city can't help it. They like fireworks.
Yeah.
That was a big one.
Yeah, it filled up my screen.
I like those big ones that go high up in the sky. That was cool. Oh, crap.
Yeah.
That was a big one. That one almost took a, like, went off my screen. I'm posting this on Facebook.
Uh-oh.
That ain't good.
Those look kind of dangerous.
How much you want to bet at the house they're shooting off Roman candles and
Ooh.
I like getting up here because back there when we were last time at the church,
You can't see them.
you can't see the little small ones like these.
Mm-hmm.
You can rarely see them, like the big ones. That one's big.
Those are really nice.
Hey, Dad,
Yeah.
will you send me that video?
It's gonna take forever for you to get it. Are you still videoing?
Yeah, but I gotta text my friend.
All right, go ahead. We can watch it on the TV.
Okay, we'll send that video to me.
Red, white, and blue. You see it?
Oh, I like that crazy one. That one was good.
Yeah, that was pretty. I like that.
You know what I'm saying right, Sal? A burn ban, pitch park, fireworks.
Oh boy, they're